In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use VCDS to get this track time display on your Audi Q7. It's a pretty cool feature to have. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do it and also how to operate it as well. In order to activate the time-lapse feature, you're going to go ahead to select, then you're going to go to 17 instruments. Then from here, you're going to go to coding 07. Then from right here, you're going to go ahead and select long coding helper. So within long coding helper, another window pops up. You want to scroll up to where it says just to 1, and then right here where you see bit 3 lap time active, you want to go ahead and select that box. Then once that's selected, you can go ahead and close out of this window, and then the next thing, go ahead where it says here to do it. Then from there it says coding accepted, press OK, and now the lap time is now active. Now that the track time has been activated using VCDS, now I'm going to show you guys how to navigate to it and also how to use it. So the 3 important buttons to use is this stock right here. So this is the only stock that will be used to control the track time. So you have this up button right here, this down button right here, and then there's a bottom button down right here that will also be used. So again, there's 3 buttons. So just for the sake of this purpose, I don't know if these are the correct terms for these buttons, but we're going to say up, down, and then the bottom button right here. So depending on what button what you have on your display, I'm going to use the bottom button to navigate to the track display. So depending on where you are, it might take several clicks. So that right there is the lap timer. So in order to start, so obviously you see there's a 1, that's lap 1, and right now it's your 0, so there's 0 times you haven't started. And to activate to start, you're gonna go ahead and press the up button to start the time. So here we go. So there you go, you can see that it's timing. I'm just gonna do like 5-second laps, and you can see every 5 seconds, that's about a lap. In order to move that, you're just pressing this up button right here to change, to say that's a new lap time. So say I'm gonna go a little bit longer here on purpose. So let's say 9 seconds, and a short one, like say 3 seconds here. So 3 seconds. And in order to pause it, you're gonna go ahead and press this bottom button right here. So the bottom button, press it once and then press it twice. So that means it just paused the time. So you can see during this display, display so far, I've done 7 laps. So say you're done with your track session and you want to see your overall, how many laps you did, your fastest time, your slowest time, and your average time. In order to do that, you're gonna go down and press and hold this bottom button once. Just hold it down once until the screen changes, and like I said, hold it down. Don't press it, just hold it down once until it gives you that. So now it's gonna give you your so pretty much we did 6 full laps, and the plus right here is your fastest lap. So remember, I did a fast 3.2 lap, and then my slowest time is marked here by a negative, so that says 9.8 seconds. And then this last one with the little 0 with the line going through it, that is your average time. So during these 6 laps, I averaged about 5.9 seconds per lap. And now, once you're done, say you're going to do another session, you're going to, again, go back to this bottom button right here, and you're going to press it again to reset it. So hold, press, and then there you go. So once it's reset, you can let go of that bottom button. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys 2 analogies in one. So I'm going to go ahead and start the timer again using the up button right here. So obviously I start the timer. So I'm going to accidentally, on purpose, press this bottom button down here. So I'm going to go ahead and press the bottom button, and remember, keep note it's at 12 seconds or so. So that means, oops, I accidentally just pressed the bottom button. So not a big deal. Just go ahead and continue pressing that bottom button and just navigating back to the track timer display. And if you can remember, it was about 12 seconds now, so it's still counting in the background. So again, say that's a lap right there, a very slow lap compared to my previous laps. But say like this track session, or if you want to do exactly like 5 laps, so what you want to do is you want to make sure you do the full 5 laps. So we're now on lap 3, lap 4. So this is the key point right here. So every time I'm doing this, remember I'm pressing this up button right here, the up button right here. So once I'm done with the 5th lap, I want to press it just one more time. Even though it says 6, not a big deal. So once you press up for the last time, once you cross that finish line, you're gonna go ahead and press this bottom button twice, the bottom button twice. And there, so again, so right now, how I said before in this example, we're doing 5 laps, but you got to do the 5th lap completely, and then once you cross that finish line and you start quote unquote your 6th lap, which really isn't, you're not doing a 6th lap, you're just crossing, but you're kind of starting that 6th lap. That's when you want to press that bottom button. Remember this bottom button twice to pause the time frame. So again, now that you're done with the track session, now go ahead and press this bottom button right here on the stock. Oops, I just accidentally just did what I wasn't supposed to be doing. You hold down onto it. So hold down onto it. And now it's going to give you your race results. Remember how we did 5 full laps, and we even though we had time on the 6th, we didn't really finish that because we paused it on that 6th lap. So that's 5 laps. And again, as before, the plus is the fastest lap, the minus is the slowest lap, and then the 0, the bottom number right here, is your average lap time. And again, to restart it, you hold down onto this bottom button right here, hold down and press it until it resets. So that was another scenario on how to use this lap time display. And this is just like a just for fun feature. Like I don't really know who tracks their Q7, honestly. Or maybe if you want to do your own 0 to 60, you can start from 0, and then once you get to 60, then you say boom, there I got to my 60, which 21.4 seconds is a very slow 0 to 60, but you get the idea what I'm going for. But if you do track your Q7, definitely want to see some pictures of that or some video. So definitely, if you do track your Q7, I really like to see some of that video. So definitely down in the comments down below, post links to your you tracking your Q7, because that'll be actually pretty cool to see. And if you're actually even using this feature at all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something new and also something cool, little fun feature you can do with your Q7 using VCDS. I hope you guys have a good one. Thanks.